Ladies and gentlemen, today we'll discuss about self. What is self? Self means consciousness of your identity. Self means what you think you really are. Consciousness is awareness about yourself, what and who you really are, and what you think, feel, behave, react. It's yourself. So when we talk about self mean it's a totality of your physicality, your emotionality, your mentality and spirituality. So when you want to manage this self, what you have self, you want to manage it, then you have to think about at at body level, at physicality level. So what is your physical form? So how you are conducting yourself, how you are managing yourself. You can't control what you think, feel, and you spiritually you are inclined. So what you can do, you can manage yourself, because we are combination of 60 trillion cells, and there are 100 billion cell in our brain as well, and a lot of systems are going on in ourself. So what we need to do, we need to manage this complex structure that is created by higher power, that is created by Almighty God. What we need to do, we have to manage ourselves, and we have to conduct it very beautifully so that we take maximum benefit. So what is yourself, what you have self and you are carrying in your body? So how you conduct it, how you present it, and how you take maximum benefit. So you have emotions, you have your mind, and in your mind you have your emotion, you have emotional brain. So how you are going to use these emotion? Do you want to use this for productive effective purpose, or you want to just waste it on cheap people? So behind cheap people, so you have to decide whether you want to take maximum work from your potentials, from your emotions. If I define emotion, so you have emotion for your brother, sister. You don't have emotion for other people. Your brother is in a hospital and you need one bottle of blood, and you will arrange for your brother bottle of blood with emotion, because emotion will be here for your brother. But if somebody is over here and someone say you have to arrange bottle of blood, you will say I will arrange, but you will not take you will not give concentration as you will be giving with emotion to your brother. It means we have emotion that drive us. We have emotion inside, and these emotion drive us. We have our body, and this body is being driven by our emotions. So if our emotions are driving us, which is known as emotionality, how we are going to conduct, how we are going to use these powerful resources which we are carrying inside us? Then first of all we have physicality, which is known as body, and these bodies are these are led by, or you can say are driven by our emotion. Then we have emotionality, we have mentality. Mentality mean our brain. We have conscious brain, we have conscious mind, subconscious mind, and how we are storing it, whether we are storing our mind consciously or subconsciously or unconsciously. Someone is programming us and giving us false notion, concept, idea, or we are programming ourselves. You have to decide. If some people, they are showing you bad stuff, they are playing with your brain, they are leading you sometime there, sometime here, they are making you to do some silly stuff. So you have to decide, because it's your brain. You should be conscious about your brain and stuff useful information in your brain, so you have good enough, you have good information in your brain, and on the basis of this subconscious stored information, you take conscious right decision. And the fourth thing is our spirituality. What you are deep inside, what is inside your spirit. First of all we have physicality, then we have emotionality, we have a mentality, and finally we have our spirituality, which is known as spirit, which is known as eudaimonia. What is my spirit? What I like to do at 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 good level. So what can I do best, and what my inner wants to do? You have to know about it. You have to know your eudaimonia. You have to know your spirit. At spirit level, what do you want to do? Do you want to become good engineer? Do you want to become good teacher, professor, or you want to become computer scientist? You have to decide, because deep inside you are driving all these things, and then you have to decide at deep inside what my inner wants, what my spirit wants. Am I a good teacher, professor, engineer, computer scientist, analyst, doctor? So who is sitting inside, or motivational speaker? So just find your eudaimonia and your spirit, then use all the sources and material you are carrying in yourself. And self is not just your recognition, your awareness. It is all about physicality, emotionality, mentality, and spirituality. Collect all these things, collect your power of self, and use it for your spiritual level. Use it for your eudaimonia, what you really want to do in your life. You must know your main task. You must know your main job. What is your main job? For what purpose you are here? What you really want from inside? You want to become a teacher. Use all material to become teacher. You have your physicality, mentality, emotionality. So you have found your eudaimonia, your spirit. Do it for your purpose, what you want to do. If you want to become a doctor, engineer, what else you want? So use all these material which is in your personality. Use them and find what you want to become in life. Hope you have understand. Hope you have got idea about self. Self is a combination of your physicality, your emotionality, your mentality, and above all, spirituality. So use all these resources to make your strong self, and use for right purpose what you want to become in your life. And the last thing I would like to recommend you, always sit near to teacher. If you are learning, if you are a student, so you should create rapport with your teacher. There should be connection with your teacher. Learn from your teacher, so you can make happy your teacher by having good interaction. It's also written in Holy Quran. Hazrat Luqman, he's recommending, he's suggesting his son. So whenever you go to the company of learned men, scholarly men, what you need to do, you have to sit at front seat, because when you sit at front seat, you learn maximum. Teacher will have better interaction with you, and he will know your inquisitive nature, and he will be giving you more knowledge. So interact with your teacher, talk to him, make him happy by having good discourse, good conversation. You respect your teacher, and you will learn maximum knowledge, and he will be cooperating with you and giving you and imparting you maximum knowledge. Hope you got this message. Share it with your friends, so that they learn maximum knowledge. Stay blessed and have a nice time.